Ange from Eustis, Florida, has floor worries.
Yeah, she has this crack in her tile floor, right?
Right.
And Angie writes, this spans almost straight across the room, about 18 tiles across, and it goes under a peninsula cabinet, and the home is a slab, it's about 19 years old. So, Tom, Angie wants to know, do I have a slab problem?
No. Especially in Florida. Although they do have some expansive stuff up in the Pensacola area.
Yeah, because sand is like a perfect kind of soil for a slab.
Yeah, because it doesn't expand or contract.
Right, exactly.
So, but it moves a little bit. But as far as that goes, no, I bet you anything, if you tap the tile, it'll sound hollow. What the problem is the thin set is letting go and the tiles are starting to pop a little bit. But even if you talk to Jim Dutton over at Due West, he'll tell you that is not a sign of foundation problems, even in the Houston area.
Right.
It is more of an application problem. Now, what happens sometimes is the tile gets laid really tight to the walls.
That's what I was wondering.
Oh, yeah. No, there's different things that can happen.
Okay.
And the walls will expand and contract. If you take 5 walls across the span of a house and it expands just 1/8 of an inch, that's almost, about 1/2 an inch of full expansion. Mm-hmm. And it pushes on those tiles. That's why we always leave a space and we have the quarter round or the shoe mold, or it goes under the baseboards so the walls don't ever touch the tile. And if they touch it up really tight to the baseboard or the walls, this will happen. It could take a lot of years depending on rainy season, dry season. Eventually, something's got to give, and I think that's all that happened. Was the give.
We've seen it before.
Yeah.
I was at a friend's house this past weekend, and they survived the Harvey flooding, right? But their floor, their solid wood floor, real, not engineered, real hardwood floors, when the moisture got into them, they expanded to the point that they pushed the walls out on the edge of the house.
You can see gymnasiums I've seen that have flooded, and they have expanded 4 or 5 feet in the air, buckled all the way up.
Yeah, they had that, but on the edge, he showed me on the edge of a cabinet where it had pushed the wall of the house out.
It will.
He says, yes, and I had the carpenter put this detail here, and I didn't tell the wife. Whoops.
Okay, well, I got nothing to do with that.
Let's hope she's not watching this one. Okay, do you have a question? Feel free to send it. Well, we go to a lot of friends' houses for dinner. It could have been anybody's house. So now there are wives all over the place. Hey, Sandy and Charlie were here. Is our walls okay?
Don't invite Sandy and Charlie. It'll be fine.
Don't do that. But you should send us your questions, your home improvement questions. Send them to HomeShowRadio.com. That's where our website. If you go there in the upper right-hand corner, you'll see it says Ask Tom. Click on that and send it our way. We'll post your answer just like these videos. Subscribe to our channel, click the bell, and we'll ring yours when we post a new one.